Hi everyone. Today we are going to make a motion game, an infinity motion game. So let's begin. First, we want to take our sprite. The basic idea is there will be a balloon, and through motion, if we touch the balloon will change its color and we gain points. So let's go for the video sensing motion camera. Take when video motion, place it here and change 10 to 20. And now let's go to sound. Okay, there is pop. Let's take the pop and keep it here. Then let's go to looks. Here change color effect by 25. Now we should go to the motion and go to random position and keep it here. Now go to variables, make a variable. Let's type it as score. Okay, and now change my variable by 1. My variable score. It is a endless game, infinity game, and if you want to reset the score, go to events, then take when space key pressed and go to variables, then set my variable to 0. My variable score. Let's try it out. The score is changing on. Like, share and subscribe to this channel. For more videos, please comment below. Thank you.